ketones work better when I'm eating a ketogenic diet? That's a good question. So the thing about ketones is interesting is that we have continuous expression of the transporters that are required for ketones to get into our tissues at all times. So they're called monocarboxylate transporters, and they are ubiquitously expressed within the body because they actually carry several other important and common molecules like lactate and a couple of other things. We are always able to take in and metabolize ketones when they show up in our blood, which means that when you consume ketones, even if you've never been in a state of ketosis before, your body is able to take them up and utilize them. We also know, though, with keto adaptation, so with continued exposure to a state of ketosis, and we know this is true for nutritional ketosis, like a ketogenic diet. We believe it would also be similar for exogenous ketosis. You get a continued upregulation of these transporters and the molecular machinery that allows your body to utilize ketones. And so we do find that over time, the more someone has been exposed to ketones, the more efficient their body is at utilizing them. This is also why it's very common that people might go on a ketogenic diet. They might have pretty high ketone levels those first couple of weeks, and then they start seeing them go down, and they wonder, why are my ketones going down? Well, if you think about it, your ketones are going down because your body is getting better at taking them out of the blood and using them for energy. So that's just the normal way of how your body works. Your body's very smart. It doesn't want to waste anything. So when it realizes that ketones are around and they're going to be around for a while, then they get pretty good at using them.